Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code of Duty. My name is Ravindra Mina. In this video I will talk about how to schedule Instagram posts and stories. Go to this website combine.com. This Combine software helps you grow your Instagram account and it also helps you in scheduling the stories and posts on Instagram. In this video I will talk about how you can schedule the posts on Instagram, but in the next video I will talk about how you can grow your Instagram account. First thing first, we have to download this software. This software is available for Mac, Windows, and Ubuntu. Unfortunately, this is not available for mobile devices. Let's head to the bottom of this website. Before we download this software, let's find out what this software can really do. Click on Learn More. Let's scroll to the bottom of this website. Here we can see that this software is capable of scheduling the posts, which is fully automated. Image editing is also possible, location tagging and hashtag mentioning and bulk storage also possible. So these are all the features of the Instagram which are very important, and this software, combined software, can easily handle them. Now let's download this software. Click on try for free. Type your email address here, click on this checkbox and click on try free. It's a small software, it will be downloaded within 5 minutes. Once you have successfully installed this software, you will see this screen. Enter your username and password and click on sign in. After logging in, you will see this screen. Click on add new posts. Here you will see three tabs: photo, story and repost. Photo is used for posting the photos, story is for posting the stories, repost is used to repost the posts that you have previously posted. I will show you how you can use this software to post images. Enter caption here. This post is scheduled. Please subscribe to my channel and select the photo that you want to post. I will choose this one. Enter the location and select the date and time that you want this post to be scheduled. Like I'm recording this video on 16th May. I want this post to be scheduled on 17th. So accordingly choose your time. Click on create. Now you can see that our scheduled post has been created and is present on this timeline. Similarly, you can also add other timeline also for 19th May and so on. And if you want to add stories, then you can also do here. The procedure would be all same. And if you want to repost your post again, then paste the link of the post, write the caption, select the date and time and click on create. All the procedure would be the same. And in somehow if you change your mind, you can also click and right click on it and delete this post. So this will delete your scheduled post. So in this way we can schedule our posts. This software has certain limitation that you can only schedule 3 posts. If you want to schedule more than 3, then you have to buy the premium version of this software. Click on this pricing. Here we can see that there are 3 packages of this software: starter, personal and business. Choose the plan according to your needs and you will be able to schedule more than 3 posts. That's all in this video. I hope that you like this video. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. All the best. Keep coding.